Testing, testing. One, two, three. I think we should be live, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another stream today. Honestly, guys, I did not expect to go live today, but they did upgrade the severe weather risk to a level 3 out of 5. So that prompted me to go live. Usually I try to stream every 3 out of 5 if I'm available. Today's 3 out of 5 is primarily towards a big hail threat in the central Texas area that could take everything off and just do the hail threat. Actually, we already have a destructive severe thunderstorm warning in effect, but we do have that SIG 2 risk out of 3 for the hail. So as you can see, pretty interesting night. Honestly, I don't know how long we'll be live. It really depends, but just fix everything. See how it goes. All right, look. Oh my goodness, 3.5 inch hail measured. This thing has over 3-inch size hail, guys, and a lot more storms are actually popping off. So that could be a
New
little.
information. This severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
I need to turn up the alert bar. There we go, guys. Is my screen sharing? I think everything should be good. As you can see, we do have a pretty not big risk, but decent risk tonight. For once, tornadoes are not the primary risk for tonight's event, so that is really good news. I don't know why I'm seeing some rotation in Mexico, but that's very far from the radar site. Don't need to worry about that. Now, you see a few of these pop-up storms are starting to form, so this event's really going to start to take place very soon. Check up on Central Texas. So, you guys, if you guys have any questions in the chat, let me know. I'm gonna check up on some of the storms in Louisiana. Check up on some of the storms in Louisiana. A little bit of a line trying to form near Alexandra and Colfax. A decent line trying to form there. So possibly some severe thunderstorm warnings could get promoted
Attention,
because
a
of
new
that.
special weather statement has been issued.
Severe thunderstorm warning down here for primary winds on this storm and quarter-size hail. Quarter-size hail on this storm. Today's not going to be as entertaining, but we'll see how it goes, guys. Take a look at the Shreveport radar. Take a look at that. Let's just load a minute. It'll take some time. Checking the Twitter feed if there's any reports for you guys, but as of now, there's not. I'm going back to the destructive severe thunderstorm warning because it produced 3.5 size hail. That is crazy, guys. That is a lot of hail, guys. Let me just pull it up. Actually, when you look at radar, guys, no rotation on this, which is the amazing news. But look at that. 3.5 hail. Do you know how big hail that is? And they just issued a new severe thunderstorm warning. So they might downgrade this thing, possibly. But look, damage that considerable. It says animals will be it. So take shelter immediately if you live anywhere in these areas, guys. If you live in Consett and Kenholt. Because this is a destructive severe thunderstorm warning heading for you. It weakens a little, which is the good news. But still that 1-inch size
Attention, a new
hail.
considerable severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
You gotta watch out for that, guys. Hey, Grandma, at least this isn't a populated area, though, so that's good.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Oh, no. Oh, look at that hail core, guys. This hail core is really starting to strengthen now. Not a destructive severe thunderstorm warning anymore, but I wouldn't be surprised if it gets upgraded to destructive just looking at that hail on that thing. Wow. A lot of hail on this storm. Look at that hail core, guys. See the upper values. That indicates a lot of hail. Check the updrafts. Oh yeah, a lot of updrafts too. Yeah, look at these updrafts indicated by differential reflectivity on ZDR. But as you could see, very interesting. It is look at this thing, guys. At least there's no rotation though. So we're not really looking at a tornado threat, guys. I mean, there is a 2% chance of tornadoes though. So there is a chance for some tornadoes, but it's not very strong. Look at the cape in this area though. Strong cape. 4,000, 3,000 joules per kilogram. That is high cape, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know too. I will be happy to answer any facts. Barely any significant tornado parameters, so that's the good news. The dew points are juice, though. As you can see, these dew points in the 75 to 60 range. Even on the East Coast, we could, if there's strong cape, why is it not tornadic? Thank you for the question. The reason why it's not tornadic is the significant tornado parameters like almost basically zero in the risk area and a little less wind shear. But just looking at the dew point, the temperatures are high too in the 60s.
New
Look at these
information,
dew
this
points.
severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Let's get back on track. Nice, thank you. Still a big hail core on this thing. Almost 2-inch size hail almost on this storm, guys. Could that be a little rotation triangle form here? Possibly. But let me check the other radar site. Taking a look at the storm. It takes a minute to load, but I mean, there could be some isolated rotation on this thing. There is a chance, guys. I mean, there is that 2% tornado risk. Guys, after this, we're going to be entering a less active pattern for severe weather. But hurricane season is going to start in almost a month, which is kind of crazy, guys. As you can see, you have 2% chance of tornadoes. The next few days, see, it's only a marginal risk of severe weather. So we're not looking at a lot of severe weather for like the next maybe week, and then maybe another active pattern could start to take place. Maybe let's check the models for that. Just see what could be going on. I enjoy your knowledge of weather. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you for watching, too. As you can see, maybe there is a chance for some severe weather. And maybe on May 5th, but it's very far out, guys. You only know what severe weather like within 7 days. Actually, not even. Within, like, some of them to know really like within 3 days to know like 100%. But they do issue outlooks up to 7 days, but it's rare. Guys, we will be covering a lot of hurricanes on this channel this season too. Severe weather, hurricanes. I'm gonna be covering all of that, guys. I'm gonna be covering all of that. I don't know why it hashtag snow on the bottom. I gotta change that. But let me change that real quick. But actually, hail core weakened a little, which is the good news on this storm. But I mean, 1 inch size hail, still not that weak. So you do gotta take that into consideration. There we go. Fix that. There we go, chat. If you guys have any questions, let me know too. I am opening to answering basically every single question if you guys really want me to. As you can see, this is basically the only severe storm. Hurricane season starts on June 1st, but they start issuing the outlooks on May 15th. They start issuing the outlooks because the Eastern Pacific gets hurricane. The hurricane season in the Eastern Pacific actually starts on May 15th, so that's when they start issuing the outlooks, guys, on May 15th, if you guys didn't know that. If you guys didn't know that. Quick fact. As you can see, though, I am concerned for the storm to be producing a lot of hail. Let's see how many people are in this warning. That would be interesting. Thank you. You're welcome. Let me just take a look at that. My bad, guys. I'm a little tired today. As you could see, though, NWS. There we go. I'm just trying to pull it up. I can't find it. My bad. I just see some hail, though. About 1 inch size hail on this thing now, so it did weaken. Earlier was about 3.5 inches of hail, which is insane. That is bad, guys. I could put damage to cars. Let's see. Trying to pull up what was it earlier. Yep, baseball size hail was reported. So baseball size hail could easily, I mean, easily destroy car windshields, even destroy
New
some
information.
homes,
This severe
like some
thunderstorm warning
roofs,
has been
maybe put like
updated.
dents in roofs and stuff. So that could be a problem. Big problem, actually. That could be very annoying. But that's why you gotta stay inside and don't drive in a hailstorm, guys. That's why, guys, you can't drive in a hailstorm. This is Oklahoma. This is in Texas. This is in Texas, guys. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm a little dry. It's because there's not that much happening, to be honest. But, while we don't have, let's just take a 3D of this storm so I can show you how high these cloud tops go. These things go up to almost about 20 kilometers in the sky, which is very high. Very high, guys. So, the thing is, those big pixels don't go that high. It's the main storm, but like the stronger stuff, they don't go as high. They're more on the surface. This is what I love about GeoTrans. Look how cool. Look how cool this 3D is, guys. And look, guys, on GeoTrans, I can also put a storm check. See, right click, put it there. That shows an estimate of where this thing is heading.
Attention, a new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
Pretty cool, guys. That is probably the coolest thing, honestly, of GR2 Analyst. If you guys have any other questions, let me know. More than welcome of answering questions. So, whatever you guys want. As you can see, though, you gotta watch out if we live anywhere in these areas in this severe thunderstorm warning, because even though it's only producing 1 inch size hail now, this thing was producing 3 inch, 3.5 inch size hail, baseball size hail a few minutes ago. That is a big, big problem. These echo tops are also raging to 48,000 feet in the air. So, this is a strong storm. David there now. Shout
Attention,
at
a new
David's
special weather
viewing
statement
area.
has been issued.
The storms here are starting to fire off a little. Some storms in Mexico too. Guys, I'm probably gonna end the stream soon because not much going on, honestly. Just wanted to stream to give you guys kind of just more of an update type deal, honestly. Storms should start to form in David's viewing area soon. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'm sorry that it's crazy. The storm's kind of weakening, honestly. The storm is kind of weakening if you look at
New
the
information,
storm.
this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
What are echo tops? Echo tops basically how high the storm goes or how high the storm clouds go. 54,000 feet. Very high. Guys, look, look, this storm was so much stronger earlier. This storm's falling apart, honestly. The storm is falling apart. There's the updated warning to it. See, it would weaken a ping pong size hail. Still hair, but still hail. But this thing's weakening. Which is a great news.
New information, this severe thunderstorm warning has been updated.
Let's see. I'm gonna read you the watch for this. Alright, guys. Guys, this storm is weakening. Honestly, could re-strengthen later, but I think I'm gonna end the stream now, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your night.